If you're into inventions, you've come to the right place. These items are at the cutting edge of technology and will show you that mankind is just beginning in the world of innovation. Want to learn about a game-changing productivity invention? The depth stop and magnetic ring bit holder is a versatile and convenient tool that makes various screwdriving tasks easier. Its design includes an adjustable stop that allows you to control the depth of each screw, ensuring precise and even installation. In addition, the presence of a ring magnet provides a firm grip on the screw, preventing it from falling or moving during work. This tool is designed to provide comfort and efficiency in your daily work. Its handle is designed with a contoured surface that provides a comfortable and non-slip grip, allowing for safe handling even in difficult working conditions. In addition, the bit holder features a 1/4-inch hex connection that's compatible with a wide range of drill bits and screwdriver tips. And that's just the beginning. The next breakthrough promises to take us to a whole new level of wonder and discovery. A tool that makes life easier. The ESAB Renegade Volt ES200i is a portable, battery-powered cordless welding machine designed for versatility in a variety of applications, including stick, SMAW, and TIG live TIG welding. It can operate on both battery and AC power, or in a hybrid mode combined with AMP Plus mode. This unit uses DeWalt FlexVolt batteries in 6 amp hours, 9, or 12 for a wide range of power options. The Renegade Volt offers remarkable autonomy, allowing the use of up to 33 electrodes, E6013 on a single charge using 4 12Ah batteries, all included in the package. Additionally, in Hybrid AMP Plus mode, the Renegade Volt can combine mains power with battery power to prevent thermal shutdowns and provide extra power when welding on 120-volt mains. With a rugged and durable design, the Renegade Volt is built to withstand the toughest conditions in the field. If you thought what you've seen so far was incredible, wait until you see what's next. I guarantee it'll take your breath away. The lift plaque was designed as an innovative tool for the safe and efficient handling of panels and manhole covers. Recognized and praised by leading professionals in the construction, telecommunications, and utility industries, it offers an exceptional combination of efficiency, time savings, and user health. The lift plaque is a complete solution for handling plates and manhole covers. Its versatile design and specialized accessories allow users to safely and effortlessly handle all types of structures, from manhole covers to hatches, grates, and wells. The lift plaque makes handling these elements easier and safer, improving productivity and protecting workers' health. Its ergonomic design and ease of use reduce operator fatigue and increase workplace efficiency. In addition, by minimizing direct contact with heavy structures, lift plaque contributes to a safer and cleaner work environment. With each step we take, we approach uncharted territory of innovation and audacity. Are you ready to see what comes next? The brushless power-assisted wheelbarrow is a practical solution for moving materials around construction sites. You can use 1 or 2 Makita 18-volt LXD batteries. Use a single 6 amp hour battery to get up to 60 minutes of use under load. For even more time, add a second LXD battery and double the runtime. Batteries and chargers sold separately. Makita brushless motors are designed for up to 50% longer runtimes, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. The handcart wheelbarrow features a Makita brushless motor that provides high power efficiency to transport up to 290 pounds of material on job sites. It has 2 speed settings and reaches a maximum speed of 2.5 miles per hour on slopes up to 12 degrees. For added versatility and convenience, the wheelbarrow is reversible and features side rails on the flat platform for quick and easy installation. This achievement is just the tip of the iceberg of what awaits us on the technological horizon. Get ready to witness wonders that'll challenge all your expectations. The M18 Compact 1-ton chain hoist with one key revolutionizes the way materials are handled on the job site. Its innovative design is designed to make installations more efficient, reduce downtime, and improve job site mobility. Using powerful M18 red lithium batteries, the hoist eliminates the need for extension cords, streamlining the setup process and saving valuable time. In addition, the wireless remote included in the kit provides greater control on every lift, with a remote range of up to 60 feet, variable speed, and fine adjustment for precise installations. What we've seen so far is just the beginning of an era of discovery that'll redefine the way we see the world. The future holds even more extraordinary surprises. An incredible power tool for professionals and amateurs alike, QuickPoint is much more than a grouting system. For more than 3 decades, it has stood the test of time as the preferred choice of experienced masons and joint fillers. However, its intuitive design and effectiveness make it equally suitable for those less familiar with these tasks, and for do-it-yourselfers who want to complete professional quality projects. One of QuickPoint's key advantages is its ability to reduce physical strain compared to traditional handheld pointing guns. The latter, which rely on hand-generated pressure, can be prone to causing repetitive strain injuries, RSI, due to the constant tension they place on joints and muscles. Instead, QuickPoint offers a more ergonomic and less strenuous approach that allows for longer hours of work without compromising the user's physical health. In addition, recent improvements in the design of the turbo drill system have taken QuickPoint's efficiency to new levels. These enhancements not only increase the speed at which you can work, but also allow for deeper joint filling, resulting in a more durable and resilient finish. I thought that was amazing. Wait until you see what's next. We're about to push the boundaries of what's possible. Another exceptional tool for modern life, the electric drill bit sharpener provides an economical and effective solution for keeping your drill bits sharp and ready to drill. Forget about dull bits and enjoy more efficient drilling thanks to these sharpeners. With proven durability and reliable performance, the drill bit sharpener provides constant power throughout the sharpening process, ensuring your bits remain in optimal condition for continuous use. This electric sharpener is compatible with a wide range of bits, from 1/8 to 15/32 inches, 3 to 0.472 inches, making it perfect for all your sharpening and maintenance needs. And we're just scratching the surface, because what's coming next is a true revolution, an idea that breaks the mold. Next up, a unique tool that will blow your mind. The stubby card drying nozzle for the DeWalt 20V Max XR leaf blower is the perfect accessory to turn your leaf blower into a powerful card drying tool. Its shorter and more maneuverable design, with 16.5 inch less than the standard DeWalt wand, makes the drying process easier by providing greater precision and control in tight spaces. In addition, its slightly tapered outlet directs air in a more concentrated manner, resulting in even faster and more efficient drying times. With the incorporation of the blower band, a silicone protective tip, you can rest assured that your paint will be safe from accidental scratches while you work. This 8-inch nozzle fits perfectly over the blower band, which protects 4.5 inches of the nozzle's end for optimal protection of your vehicle. Compatible with the latest models of DeWalt 20V Max XR blowers, this accessory attaches securely to the blower for worry-free use. Every advancement brings us closer to a universe of endless possibilities. If that got you excited, get ready to witness miracles that defy logic. The FM3LP tool is designed to serve one basic purpose: to act as a lever for felling or pushing trees. This versatile device acts as a bidirectional lifting and pushing tool, making the task of safe and controlled tree felling much easier. With the FM3LP, you can easily avoid hitting unwanted trees or obstacles by accurately guiding the direction of the tree's fall during the felling process. Simply notch the trunk in the opposite direction of the fall and then insert the pusher, making it an essential tool for any professional dedicated to tree care and maintenance. The strength and stability of the pusher core are critical, so they've incorporated a special custom cast iron base, specifically designed to be used at an angle and equipped with pinholes. This feature not only ensures the durability of the tool, but also prevents it from sinking or moving during use. In addition to its primary function, the FM3LP is also invaluable for lifting heavy logs off the ground and facilitating their cutting with a chainsaw. By simply driving the tip of the lifter into the trunk, the log can be lifted off the ground and manipulated until it's placed on a smaller log, allowing for safer and more efficient work.